I'm Yvette from ShortPoint. As you design your intranet pages, you will probably be asked to display a list of files, data, events, and more. This is no surprise because many work processes in an organization involve working with different forms of lists. With ShortPoint, you have several design elements that cater specifically to lists. There are different choices in formats that fit the content you need to display on your list. Just like what you see on this page, this is a straightforward list that contains only text. This one is a library of files with icons that show what type of file it is. This one is a list of events showing dates and information about what is happening. This one has thumbnails that accompany each item on the list. I will show you how these lists are created in ShortPoint. In this video, we will create the basic format of a list using the simple list design element. Then we will explore how you can use icons to provide more information and enhance the style of a list. We will also walk through setting up a list of events or important dates on your page, and explore how to show thumbnails on your list. The simplest form of a list is a series of text organized and stacked one item over another. We see this mostly in a numbered or bulleted format, which can be achieved through our text editor. However, if you want more modern take, we can use the simple list design element. Let's add it here. We have the option to add 3 layers of information for each item: a title, a subtitle, and a description. You can also add a link if you want to provide a way for the user to see more information about each item. Then in the Design tab, you can customize your list by selecting a different theme color. You can also choose a separator style, color, and size. To show the list horizontally, enable horizontal view, then select how many items to show on each row. You can further customize all the elements on your list by switching to the Advanced tab. When you're done putting together your list, apply your changes, and your list is now added to your page. What if you want to show a list of files that you want to make accessible to your users? This is where you can use the file list design element. Similar to the simple list, you can add 3 layers of information. You can also attach a link to your file to allow users to open it when they want to. What is added is the option to indicate the type of file on your list. It recognizes the most common file types and it will display its icon. It has the Design and Advanced tab options, but you can also find icon style formats available for you to use. If you want to attach icons to your list but not only for file types, you can use the Icon List Design element. Here, you can choose the icon to use for each item on your list. This is on top of the options we've seen in other list elements. Do you want to show a list of events or important dates? We have the Events Design element designed specifically for that. You can input several aspects of your event for each item on your list. This is similar to a calendar entry on your scheduler. Go to the Design tab to customize how your events look. You can choose between 2 styles, change its theme color, add the date today on top of your list, and many more. There are more customization options in the Advanced tab that you can explore. If you want a different design for highlighting dates, you can use the Date List Design element. It works the same as events, but offers several other styles you can choose from. When you want to use thumbnails alongside your list, you can use the Image List Design element. You can use this when you have news, blogs, video playlists, employee profiles, or similar content for your page. You can add 3 layers of information, the image you will use, and a link for each item. You can also modify image settings individually. In the Design tab, you can also apply image settings for all the items in your list. Individual settings will override the general settings when both are set. In the Advanced tab, you will find additional options to customize image styles. So far, I have shown you how to add your list directly to the design elements. but they are most useful when connected to an internal or external source of data. You can do this by using ShortPoint Connect. You can learn about setting up these connections in our Connect course. Do not hesitate to check them if you want more details about ShortPoint Connect. Here, we are showing a list of news posts pulled from the main company communications site. Once we have this connection, we no longer have to edit the design element to add new updates. It will pull the details from the source automatically when something new is published. We can also show the contents of our files library. We can set it to show the date and who modified each file. This will also be refreshed regularly. It will get updated with new information automatically. ShortPoint version 8.5 and above includes the new Search and Filter toolbar, a helpful feature for lists connected to large data sources. You can easily add a search, filter, and sort widget through any list settings window. Once activated, your users can quickly search through the list, filter its contents, and sort items in their preferred order, making it much easier to find and organize information. We organize a lot of things by using lists. This is why it is important to have a variety of options in presenting your lists on your intranet pages. You also have to have flexibility in customizing the design of your lists. ShortPoint can provide you with all these and more. There are more design elements for us to explore, so I hope you can join me in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.